Hello guys, welcome to this video. And like I said, in this video we're going to just have fun with our script. That we're going to enjoy what we labored for since the beginning of this series. So let me run this. Let me click the run. Then let me drag this up. Let me make it bigger. So here player 1 you are S and player 2 you are O. So player 1 your turn. Let's say I want player 1 to win. I want player 1 to win in this role. Like I can say player 1 play in 4. And then let's say player 2 decide to play on 8. Can see everything is changing like how we wanted it. And then player 1 5 and player 2 is also targeting to win on this of our row 3 ball. And then he played on 9, but player 1 has the advantage to make a win for it. And then he played on 6. Bam. Can see player 1 won a row 2. You can see here. So we're going to do another one to let the player 2 win. It's not going to be fun, it's only player 1 is going to win. So player 1 played on 1, player 2 played on 7, player 3 played on, let's say, 2, and player 2 played on 3. And then player 1 decided to play on 4, or let's say player 1 decided to play on 6, without noticing that once player 2 play on 5 here, player 2 is going to win diagonal. So then player 1 ended up playing on 6. So now player 2 found the opportunity and then started to hit the 5. And then you can see player 2 won in diagonal 2. So you can see how beautiful it was. Okay, so also let's try. I've done the winning. Let's also look at the compare the clean of the board, because you're going to believe for. We have to come here to click on play again. I know I talked about this, but I can make it a little bit better, but I think the series is becoming too long, and it's going to be a little bit complex if we continue that. So let's say I played on 1. Okay, let's say I want to occupy the board that there's no winner. So I played 1, 3, 6, 9. Okay, player 1, your turn. Let's say player 1 hit the 7, player 2 hit the 4, and then player 1 hit the 8, and then player 2 hit the 5. And then you can see player 1 played the only position left. Player 1 decided to be stubborn and place on 8 again that's already been occupied. You can see keep on prompt you to play somewhere else. You can see since I played 2 here, I didn't even know when I clicked on 2, the board got cleared. You get it, the board, you can see clearing board and then cleared successfully. You can see how beautiful that was. And then we can continue to play back again. I can see to play 8. You can see how beautifully that was rendered. So I think with this you can call your friends to have fun with you. You can call your friends to have fun with you and play around. You can decide to share the same computer and then have fun playing it. So I think this should wrap it up for this video. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.